Hello, Facepunch developers. This is Thumper the Rabid Rabbit. I had a bug report from a user on my Rust Electricity YouTube channel, War2, identifying an issue with the splitter that I am confirming here on a unmodded current main branch as of 9 p.m. Pacific time, Wednesday, February 20th. What happens here is even though it's typical to see the full output power on all three outputs of the splitter and then see the actual output power on the devices it goes into, so 15 out here, 555, if you leave this configuration through a server restart presently, the splitter ends up outputting the full power on all three channels. I'll demonstrate really quickly here. I'm doing a quit on the server. There's a disconnect. Doing a restart on the server. This is completely vanilla, unmodded, no nothing. All I've done is set my Steam ID to owner so that I can spawn these electricity components in for use in this demonstration. There we go, we're back up and running. I'm going to reconnect. And what you're going to see here is interesting behavior. You'll see now that even though I have 15 coming in, supposedly 14 coming out, all of these say 1, but their input value is actually 14 each. And if this value changes, and the sun is moving, so it will change here in a moment, there you go, you can see they're all getting 13 still. If I connect another device to the output of this, like another display count in pass-through mode, you'll see the same number. This works also connected. I connected it to some different devices other than the counters. I also tried the input running just direct power through a root combiner and also through another pass-through display to watch the input power. In all cases, this is a true bug. Anytime the server restarts, all three outputs of the splitter output the full input power minus the 1 consumption power for the splitter itself. And this is actually 12 units available if I connect devices to it. If I disconnect the source, or if I disconnect any of the outputs, this does resolve itself for any of them that are disconnected. So if I disconnect the source and then reconnect it, it will work as intended. And if I disconnect one of the outputs, you can see here, now it starts splitting the other two the way it's intended. But if the user were to not touch any of the outputs or input, they will in fact get full pass-through power on all three ports, giving them 3 times their actual input power. So that is the demonstration there of the bug that has been submitted in the report accompanying the link to this video. So hope that is helpful. Good luck and don't suck.